In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Apple Watch in case it is stuck on the Apple logo. So the first step, the first thing you should try is to simply keep pressed this button and the crown both at the same time. Okay, keep both of these buttons pressed. The screen will turn off, but keep these buttons pressed until you see the Apple logo once again. So usually it takes 10 seconds. Let's wait just a bit more. Okay, the Apple logo came back. Now release these buttons and wait at least 2 minutes. The Apple Watch will reboot. Unfortunately, the problem will be gone. If this doesn't work, let's go to another trick. So the other trick is to simply charge your Apple Watch. So I have connected this cable to a charger and wait like this at least 5 to 6 hours. If you can do this overnight, it will be perfect. 5 or 6 hours. Maybe your Apple Watch will be boot up and it will work, or if not, if it is still stuck on the Apple logo while the charger is still attached to your Apple Watch, press both of these buttons again until you see the Apple logo disappearing and then coming up again on the screen. And finally, my last trick, and this worked for some people, is, well, remove the charger from the Apple Watch and just let it sit like this until the screen goes completely dark, because there's no more battery in the watch. Okay, let the watch drain its battery completely. It may take a day, it may even take 2 days. Just wait, and once the screen is completely dark because the battery is depleted, then connect it to the charger and wait at least again 5 to 6 hours and try starting your Apple Watch by pressing these two buttons until you see the Apple logo coming up again on the display. Last and not the least, this problem can also be the cause of the cable itself. Sometimes these breaks over time, and although you think it's charging your watch, it's not actually charging. So try using another Apple Watch cable and even maybe another charger, depending which one you are using, just to rule out that this is not the issue. Or if you have a friend with an Apple Watch, you can test out your cable and charger, and if it doesn't work on your friend, well, then you know that the problem was actually this and not the watch. If you have any other tricks on how to fix this issue, I'll be really curious, honestly. I'll probably make another video, so leave a comment down below. Or if one of these tricks work, I know some people even say to put it in the freezer. I never did it, so I cannot really tell you that it works. But hey, if it's a last resort solution, maybe it's something you can try. So simply leave your Apple Watch like a day in the freezer. I guess it just drains the battery completely, and then try to start it with these two buttons after you connect it to a charger. This is maybe another trick you can do, but again, I have no guarantee for that one. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.